Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to take a look at the beauty behind organic chemistry and how do we do that. Quickly come closer here. So, guys, we are asked to tackle this question. Let's just state out that the IUPAC name for the compound, this is the compound, is dash A, penta 1,2-diol, B, propan 1,3-diol, C, propan 1,2-diol, D, dihydroxypropane. So guys, how do we name this kind of a compound? It is very, very what? Simple. How? Come closer. So guys, look at this compound here. Coming with this compound here, we can say this compound is a good example of dihydric alcohol. Is that clear now? Dihydric alcohol. In my previous videos, I dropped a videos on how to identify the primary, secondary, and tertiary. So I'm not digressing to that. So back to what we are asked to do. So guys, the first thing you need to do when it comes to IUPAC nomenclature, before you tackle any question, you have to write the compound. So by doing so, we have CH2. What do we have here? We have this OH. This is the functional group of alcohol. The next one is CH2, and the last one is CH2, which is what? We have OH here. So guys, how do you name this kind of a compound? So you can start the numbering from anywhere, but numbering a compound that shows the functional group like OH, which is hydroxy, the COOH, which is a carboxylic, or we call it alkalic acid. You must always consider the numbering from the functional group first, and you consider the lowest number attached to the functional group in case you have two functional groups. I'll repeat myself. Is that clear now? You must consider the lowest number attached to the functional group. Again, the lowest number attached to the functional group. If you are having two, you can decide to start from both left and right and pick the lowest number attached to the functional group. That's if you have two functional group attached to the substituent or the compound. So guys, come quickly. So we have one here. From the left hand side, this side, we have two here, we have three here. So from the right hand side, this place, so we have one here, we have two here, and we have three. If you take a look at names from both sides, you will deduce that you are having the same number attached to the two functional group. This OH here is a functional group, which is called what? Hydroxy. So now, how do we name this compound? So let's consider from both sides. So we have one here, we have two here. So let me clean the word from right hand side. Since we have the same number attached to it, so the first thing you need to consider the numbering. Then we now consider the longest carbon continuous chain. Is that clear? So the longest carbon continuous chain is 3. And if you have C2, this is called ethane. If you have C3, this is called propane. So now we have 3 carbon atoms here. Is that clear now? So that 3 carbon atoms is what? Propane. So how do we name this compound? So it will be named propan. We have 1 here, 2, the hydrogen is not here, but 3, we are having what? The OH. So he said propan 1, comma, what do you have here? We have 3 diol. Now using diol, we have monohydric, we have dihydric, and we also have trihydric. Is that clear now? If you're having 1 OH, it is called what? Monohydric. But if you're having 3, it's tri. And if you're having 2, we have dihydric. So this propan 1,3-diol is a good example of dihydric alcohol. Is that clear? So guys, our answer is B, which is this. So we are going with it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, drop any question you're having issues with in the comment box. Thanks.